Hello friends, in this video we are going to make a gun using a wooden clamp. Remove the clip using a spring tool. Do not throw away the spring because it is one of the main parts of the gun. Turn the wooden parts upside down and connect them together. Using a pencil, we mark places of the piece to cut. I mark the parts of the clip that need to be cut. We cut the marked parts using a cutter. This is an extremely long process that takes a lot of your time, which will save you time if you have the necessary tools. As you can see, cutting with a cutter takes a lot of time. My friend, do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Be careful not to cut your finger in this part. Here we cut the extra parts. This is the part where the arrow is placed. Using a file, I deepen the groove part so that the spring can be placed there better. And in this part, we add thermal glue to the wooden piece to stick the pieces together. Remember not to put glue in the grooves. We glue the pieces together in such a way that the resulting grooves are facing each other. I burn the wood using a lighter to make it more beautiful. You can leave a comment on this part. This part is completely optional. In this part, we polish the spring using sandpaper. In this part, we place the spring. According to the video, this step also takes a little time. Well, the gun is ready. Let's go to the initial test. As you can see, our gun has very good power and the speed of the shot is high. If you enjoyed the video and learned, please subscribe and like for support. Thank you for watching.